Hello everyone, welcome back to engineering drawing tutorial. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture I am going to explain one problem on projections of straight lines 1. Let us see the given problem. A line MN 50 mm long is parallel to VP and inclined at 30 degrees to HP. The end M is 20 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line. Before going to solve any problem in engineering drawing, first you need to write the given data. First write the given data. Here line name is given, that is capital MN. This length is 50 mm. This line inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. We know that the line makes a certain angle with HP. Let us assume that is theta. Theta equal to 30 degrees. The end M is 20 mm above the HP. The line having two endpoints. One end, that name is also given M, is 20 mm above the HP and 10 mm in front of the VP. This is the extension of the projections of points concept. So here let us assume line having two endpoints. We know the M position, that is 20 mm above the HP, 10 mm in front of VP. Just you can draw the solution up to projection of points. The point name is M. M dash 20 mm above the HP, top view small m 10 mm in front of VP. That means 10 mm below the XY. For easy understanding, dear students, please take your notebook and open that notebook. This is your notebook. The horizontal one is horizontal plane, vertical one is vertical plane. The intersection of this vertical plane and this horizontal plane, that line is called reference line or XY line. Take your note pen. Pen is, let us assume pen is the given line MN. Now kept as per the given position, that pen is, that means line is 30 degrees to the HP. This is the your pen MN, this end M, this end N, and kept 30 degrees with this horizontal plane, that means theta. When the observer watching from this side, you can see this inclination, that is in the above XY. So this projection, this MN projection front view falls on this vertical plane. You can see here. When the observer watching from this side, this MN projection falls on this vertical plane and parallel to this vertical plane. You know that this MN is parallel to VP. So this projection falls on vertical plane and it having same inclination with XY line. One more point, he has given that this NDM position is given, that is 20 mm above the HP. From this HP plane, that height is 20 mm and 10 mm from this vertical plane. So this is the front view M dash N dash. Similarly, the top view projection falls on this horizontal plane. You can see here. So this name is MN. Coming to our drawing sheet, you can draw this projection as like orthographical view. That means 2D figure, 2D representation. You can see here. You need to draw the sketch like this. Let us see how to draw this solution step by step here. First draw the XY line. Here one more important point. In this condition, front view inclined to XY and top view is parallel to XY. First draw the XY line. Let us locate one point on XY. You can start from this point, 20 mm above the HP. That means 20 mm above the XY. In the previous problem also I said, above means blindly you can draw the above XY. That length is 20 mm above the HP. That means 20 mm above XY. That name is front view point M dash. You can give the dimension. Then 10 mm in front of VP. This is the first coordinate. We know that in the first coordinate, front view is above XY, top view is below XY. That length is 10 mm in front of VP 10 mm below XY. That name is M. Give the dimension here. The next condition is this line inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. We know the start point. From this M dash point, draw the 30 degrees line. That length is 50 mm. From M dash point, draw the 50 mm line. Take your uh, take your protractor or mini drafter. Just you can draw the horizontal line here. From this point, locate the 30 degrees point, then join this M dash and that 30 degrees line, and take your engineering compass, M dash center, cut this 30 degrees line with 50 mm. From M dash point, draw the 50 mm line. This name is N dash. So M dash N dash length is 50 mm. This is the true length. We can see the true length in the front view for this case. Okay, for constructing top view, just you can draw the projector line from N dash. Then also draw the horizontal projector from M point. Where these two lines intersect, that point is N. So this MN is top view. M dash N dash is the front view. MN is the top view. This theta equal to 30 degrees. So here M dash N dash is the true length. That means actual line length. That is 50 mm. We can see the true length in the only front view. Top view is reduced length. So M dash N dash greater than Mn. Okay, this is the way to you can draw the projections of straight lines one solutions in easy way. I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.